So, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well, and it's me Suman. So, before starting, I would like to say I'm sorry for not uploading these Qwiklab event videos on my channel. And you might, some of you know that I had to take my exam, so it took a lot of time, and that is the reason I could not make any new Qwiklab arcade event video. But now the exams are over, and I think I can't wait to make these new videos on my channel. So I'm really excited to do this event. So at last I would like to say thanks for understanding and supporting me. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Okay, so let's start this new Google Cloud Arcade Event Facilitator program. No, this one. So before starting, I would like to say something that we need to get some credit now to do this event. And for this, Google Cloud, this Google or Arcade, they have decided to select a particular facilitator and they will help us to get the credit. So I have considered this Google form from Aditya Sharma, who is one of the facilitators for this cloud event. So thanks Aditya Sharma for helping us, for providing this uh, opportunity to get enrolled in this event. So thank you very much. Okay guys, so you can use this link, and this is chat group. Just join this chat group and use this form link. And before uh, filling this form, guys, make sure that you have only filled any one form from any one facilitator. Otherwise, if you have filled multiple form from this Aditya Saram facilitator or from some other facilitators, then you might get disqualified. So there is no point of filling multiple forms, and credit are provided for everyone. That is enough to do this lab. So there is no point. Make sure that you will fill a single form from each facilitator. Okay, don't fill the form from multiple facilitator, only single facilitator, single form. Okay, so if those who haven't filled or those who are waiting for the form, so here is the form link, so just click it, and this is the form from Aditya Sharma. So just fill this form if you haven't filled any other form from another facilitators. Okay, so this is the form. Before starting this form, you need to create a new Qwiklab account. It is better to create a new Qwiklab account. So just click on this join button and fill this information. So I have already created new one. So I will just go with sign in button. So let me sign in. Okay, so this is the account I have already created earlier. So make sure your profile is public. So just click at this button and make this profile public. That's it. Okay, so to fill this form, you need your email address. So get same email address which you have used to create your new account. So this is a new account. See this, nothing is there, everything is empty. Okay, so fill this new, this is my new email account which I have used to create this profile in this cloud post. Okay, and then click next button, and then you have to write your name. So let me write name, and again we have to confirm your email address. So paste it like this, and I am from Nepal, so I'll write my country Nepal, and click the first one link and click next. Now next we have to make your profile public. Yeah, same thing I just told you. Just click on this profile button and you'll see a button, make this profile public. Click it and copy this link, copy this link address and paste it here. That's it. And click this agree button, click understood, and click next, and you have to select the bridge. There is no bridge, I think. Yeah, it is here. Yeah, verify. That's it. So I've just submitted this form once again to Sarma. I will ask him not to cancel my qualification. So this is just the demo. That's it. Okay, so once you fill it, uh, just come back and join this chat group also. Then you have to go to this website. Just use this link and go to this website, and there okay, so we have to write our email address. Sorry, write my email address, this one, and just click on the subscribe button too. That's it. So this was the first step. Once your email address and form is everything is good, you will receive the credit like this one. Let me show you my credit option here or somewhere. Okay, see this. So this much credit I have received from the Aditya Sharma. He has sent me this much credit. 1959 credits. That is enough. No. So everything is good, then you will receive the credit, and that's it. Then we can start doing this lab. So what to do? We have to start from this play one. So copy this code. Here the rule, you can read this rule. Yeah, one batch 1 point and 3 skill batch is equal to 1 point. So that is everything simple. You just collect how much batch you can collect it. Let's click on this play level 1. See this, lots of sports are remaining there. Copy this code, click this join this game button, this code here, click this join button. That's it. We join to the level 1. We have 7 days to complete it. So we'll start it and we'll start this lab very soon. So that's it guys, this was information. The next video I will start completing this lab for level 1 and everything. Okay, guys, so welcome back once again. So let's start this level 1 of this arcade event. First lab we're going to do. So it says that don't skip this one. So let's just start it. Okay, click this start lab button. Check this thing. Yeah, fine. Okay, just need to wait for at least 5 to 6 minutes, and there you can do it. So let's wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so we have just end this video. Just spend 5 to 6 minutes and just end it, and it is done. Okay, so we'll start on the remaining labs in the next video. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.